with the Affordable Care Act, or at least a proposal to replace it, coming up for a vote in the House. Can you see a combination of reforms that would meet approval from both moderate and conservative Republicans, or is this effort, as it stands now, doomed?
I'll leave judging the politics to others, but I'll say this. The reform packages in all their forms will mean less coverage, more Americans without health insurance, higher premiums for the rest of us because we're going to end up paying for that medical care when it comes through emergency rooms, and less competitiveness for American business because they're going to end up having to pay higher premiums to cover the costs. This is bad for the poor, burdening on the middle class, and undermining competitiveness. It is just the wrong way to go.
In other words, and I don't want to put these words into your mouth, it's bad for the American economy.
This would be a substantial blow to the American economy over time because of the ways in which it would damage lower income people who would then have less spending power, because of the way it would shift burdens to employers who would then be less able to compete. This is not just a policy that has real moral problems because of what it means for the poor. It is a policy that has real pragmatic problems for American competitiveness. I don't see any argument in favor of it. There are arguments against Obamacare. I don't believe them. I believe the benefits far, far outweigh the costs. But this set of reforms is a step backwards on every dimension.